Welcome back to the kitchen table. Today on the kitchen table, a very quick video with regard to CES 2018, which is taking place in the United States at the moment in Las Vegas. Yuneec, the UAV manufacturer, has launched 3 new products for us to whet our appetite on. There is a fixed wing Firebird FPV, an all-new HD racer, and the Typhoon H, which took the world by storm nearly 2 years ago now, and they've released a Plus model. So let's go to that one first then. The Typhoon H is their brand new release. It has the features which we've all come to know and love, but with the difference that the brand new cameras, the E90 will fit on it. So it gives us a 20 megapixel still camera and 4K video at 60 frames a second. It also uses the brand new ST16S controller, as well as having a 720 HD downlink. They've released a HD racer, which is Yuneec's first racing drone. Fits in the palm of your hand, and once in the air gives the pilot an immersive experience with cutting-edge technology. Interestingly, this is the same as along with the Breeze, in the sense that you use initially your phone to control it. Pilots can record and share their best racing moments with 1080p at 60 frames a second, and it can also have a flip-up mode which automatically uprights the downed HD racer to maximise flying and minimise downtime. The most interesting product to come from Yuneec at CES 2018 is the Firebird FPV, which provides a real-time outdoor flight experience and allows the user to fly as if they're in a cockpit of a real aeroplane. With a flight time of 30 minutes, it allows users to experience the true nature of piloting. It obviously comes with FPV, and pilots can also have a safety mode to remove all concern flying too low and make it impossible to descend to a set floor altitude. Pilots with the Firebird FPV can also return home, geofence and auto landing capabilities for this easy-to-use fixed-wing aircraft. Now, we don't know really much more than that at the moment, other than the fact that there is new products on the way from Yuneec. There is also a question mark over a 4th new product, but as yet we've not heard anything on that. So just to whet your appetite, just a few things from Yuneec at CES 2018. That's the Firebird FPV, the HD racer, and the Typhoon H Plus. From DJI, well, they've just released 2 handheld gimbals, one for DSLRs called the Ronin S, and then they've also released their brand new Osmo mobile version 2, which has just come out, which has an unbelievably low price point. So that's DJI and Yuneec's products at CES 2018. If there's anything more that comes out, we will be, of course, first to let you know here on the kitchen table. Thanks for watching.